Hey, what's up followers? Dave here from CNC3D. So in today's R&D Fridays, I'm basically working on our CNC3D Commander software, and what I'm actually doing is I have a rather interesting board here. So this particular board was actually designed by one of our electronics engineers as a little weekend project, and it is actually a grblHAL board that he's custom designed. We've decided to make it into a prototype, and we've loaded the latest version of grblHAL firmware on here. This particular version is a 6-axis or a 6-channel version, so that's 6 independent axes. And basically what I'm doing at the moment is I am creating a easy breakout for all of the extended grblHAL features, and I'm putting it into our Commander software. So for all of you out there with a grblHAL-based controller, very soon you will be able to use all of the awesome features within our Commander software, and we'll make some nice and tidy breakouts for everything. At the moment it just returns the current version and it returns the processor, and I'm just collecting all of the extra data that grblHAL actually produces, so that it gives me a chance to create some nice and easy menus for you guys to be able to configure it and of course use it. So that is pretty much today's R&D Fridays. Not really too exciting while I'm literally just working here in the code. But look, I just wanted to say as well, I really appreciate all of the support and the feedback that all of you have provided over the years. Look, we're extremely grateful for it, and it definitely inspires us and motivates us to keep on making things as good as we can make them. So thank you very, very much for your support, and I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend, and we'll catch up again next week. Thanks, guys.